Good morning. Someone asked me a question sending in a WhatsApp message, and yes, they sent in a WhatsApp message which I put it here. Of course, I don't receive a call on that, but they put a WhatsApp message on this number, and this happened after I posted about Elliott wave and how to count. And the question was very specific: can we trade Elliott wave, or can we understand trade Elliott wave, or can you replay? So I replied, I see what you want to know, and then the person said that they want to know, can it be replayed to understand the Elliott wave method? I said yes, it is possible. So which one you want to see into? So the person said that they want to see something in the Bank Nifty. So something somewhere here they want to see that, and I said okay, fine. I will go to 1 minute and I will use somewhere here, because the problem is people know how to buy but they don't know how to sell, and some people have mastered how to sell but they don't know how to buy, and honestly it's a true problem with understanding the market in a simplest way. Alright, so what I will do is I will go to the recent data. See, I can't go back to very large old data because I'm going to use a replay. Now the replay basically helps you to understand the recent data, so that when the pattern repeats or some conclusive methods you know already existed with you, and you can see the pattern and you can play the right trade to make the benefit out of it. Alright, let's go. I'll pick up this. I'll just go to this, and I don't need any very what we say 1 minute. I'll just use this because it's not giving me more data backside. Chalo, let's go, no issue. I'll just highlight this a little bit in order to see. I'm going to replay and show you exactly what I see and how do I trade. So now I'm not going to buy it because it's already swing. This is already in a big swing. Okay. So what I will look is on 1 minute, do I get a sell setup? And this is more important because when you get a proper understanding, you can trade comfortably. Okay, so let's go. I'll just reduce this slightly, and okay. So we need a sell setup after such a big rally. After this rally, if market fails to make a new high, and how that failure will appear on the chart on the real time. So Krishna, is it failure? And the answer is yes, it is failure, because it has come back almost to 60% of it. So is it a right time to sell? The answer is no. It's still, you need to wait. So I'll pause this now. Let me ask you this: can you draw this? That's the first thing. Second, they asked me, can Elliott wave prove itself? And the answer is here only. I'm telling you, here only it is. It is, I'll just take this. I'll try to put it correctly. This is 1, 2, and this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So we wait for the first 5 wave or a 5 stroke of a price momentum to travel in the direction of the counter momentum which is already existing. That means the development of 5 price momentum should have a counter momentum to pre-existing price action. So the pre-existing price action this is the pre-existing price action, and we have a first 5-wave counter here. So you agree with this? Now what we need is very important. What we need is that we need a pullback, a relatively somewhere at here or somewhere at here, which is almost a 50% or more than a 50%, that from there we need a reversal indicating failure to move high. Now when price failed to make a new high, it is an indication that it no longer wants to go in the direction which it was previously making higher high and higher low. If you get this correctly, you are getting a message, an information that you need to attend. Now, is this end? I'll just check it. I don't know. So the moment it came out of the trend line, it paused and it started reversing. Okay. So now, in a way, it has ignored all its previous one strong price momentum. So now what we need is we need a pullback that suggests the failure somewhere here, 56,200, before we enter the trade. Now, do we enter the trade somewhere 56,200? No, we prefer to enter the trade below this point. Now it is interesting. Why below that point? You will experience it right now. Notice the price is not at all ready to move up, but it is making a horizontal axis. Now I have always said that horizontal axis is always in a price that is moving in right side direction. Price moves from left to right. Time move from time moves from right to left, left to right, and price is also moving from left to right. So this is a consolidation phase of the consolidation. In the break of this, yes, we will go, and the stop I will put it here, and I'll put this as in a red, so that to let you understand that that is the stop. When this breaks, we are selling, and that is already predefined as a stop. And when we say this is predefined as a stop, you have a stop of 418 points, and that comes to nearly 1%. Not 1%, 1% of the Bank Nifty. So we are looking for 401:1 minimum in case if it fails. So let's see. In this situation, you should not go for the buy for 10 points, 50 points, 100 points. No, you should not buy even the call also. No, you should not buy put also. Notice now we have one more pivot that is saying this is a pivotal area because it has made a new high. We have one more pivot. Now our short sell comes to this pivotal line and stop remain 350. Okay, let's see. And in this particular area, every single trader will lose the money for buying a call or selling a call, because this is going nowhere. Now it has tagged. It's a blue line special. We call it as a blue line special. I'll go for the short sell. Now we are sold. Now, if you just draw one trend line beneath that, actually, you may see that it has made a 1, 1, 2, 3, and you may get a one more higher high. You may get up to here before eventually it collapses down. So that means you have sold, but the price can go up to here eventually before it goes down. And why you should follow the rules is because your stop is here. Sometimes what happens is when they tag this, they go up and stay there, and then they gap down, and that experience that will teach you in an experienced way. So now our stop is, now it has come down, that's fair enough. Our stop is 326 and we must need at least 1:1. That means we are looking 326, set 340, 350. So we need 1:1. Now let's continue the one second. So tell me, am I wrong? Now I bought it. I made 11,457 just in front of you. So the question asked by the trader is, do Elliott wave works? And the answer is yes, it works. But it also needs a very dedicated understanding how the market actually behaves. You got this? If you can understand this on 1 minute, I probably consider that you can learn the Elliott wave method more comfortably and you can understand it to make best money out of it. Okay? Thank you.